Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Afterpay at Walmart. Start by opening the Afterpay app on your phone and signing in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the search bar and type Walmart. When Walmart appears in the search results, tap the store icon to open it inside the Afterpay app. Now shop as you normally would. Browse through the products, add the items you want to your cart, and review everything before checking out. When you're ready, proceed to checkout. Since you're shopping through the Afterpay app, you'll be able to choose Afterpay as your payment method. Depending on your eligibility and the order amount, you'll see different payment plans. You can choose Pay in 4, which splits your purchase into 4 equal payments over 6 weeks. If you prefer a longer repayment period, you may also have monthly payment options available. These can include 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, or even up to 24 months, depending on your budget and the options available to your account. If everything looks good, confirm your purchase and complete the checkout process. Walmart will then process your order as usual, and you can track your shipment through your Walmart account. Thanks for watching.